Happy St. Patty's Day, Glam Fam! We are creating a gorgeous green emerald eyeshadow look with all of my favorite shades of green. Check out my full tutorial and let's get ready together. I'm gonna go in with my clean canvas from Gerard Cosmetics. This is literally the best base you will ever use for eyeshadow, especially for us ladies over 40. All right, I'm gonna take my Sigma E61 and we're just gonna go over all of that. And look at that saturation right there. That is one of the most gorgeous metallic satin shimmer shade I've ever seen in my life. It's kind of blending with my finger. All right, we're gonna go in with this Victoria Beckham green eyeliner. I just love this formula. It's so creamy and it doesn't tug. What I like about these rougher brushes is they're so soft. And I'm gonna take this second shade in the palette and we're gonna go underneath that. Ooh, that's pretty. And it transitioned it beautifully.